Okay, so what if I told you that you could build a gorgeous, professional website for your business, not in weeks, not in months, but literally in the next few minutes? And get this, you could do it all without writing a single line of code. I know, it sounds kind of too good to be true, right? Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how it's possible. Let's dive right in.
So this is the big promise, the core idea from our source material today. Just imagine this. A library of over 300 ready-made, professionally designed websites, and they're all just sitting there waiting for you to import them with a single click. We're talking about sites for a school, a restaurant, an online store, you name it. The potential here is just massive.
All right, so here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about this whole websites without code idea. Then we'll cover the 3 key ingredients you'll need. After that, I'll lay out the exact 6-step blueprint. We'll look at how to get your hands on the premium tools, see the incredible before and after, and finally, wrap up with what this all means for you. Sound good?
You know, for the longest time, building a website felt like this impossible task. It meant either shelling out a ton of money for a developer or getting ready to spend months, even years, trying to learn how to code. But that reality, it has completely changed.
And I'm not kidding. It's now totally possible to create a complete professional website for pretty much any business you can think of. A marketing agency, a restaurant, an e-commerce shop, and do it in minutes. This is the real deal. A complete game changer for anyone who thought having a great website was just too hard or too expensive.
Okay, so before we get into the fun part, the how-to, we've got to cover the basics. There are 3 key ingredients, 3 fundamental pieces that literally every single website needs to exist. Think of this as your website's foundation. You just can't build without them.
First up, we've got web hosting. The easiest way to think about this is like buying a piece of land. It's the digital space on the internet where your website is going to live. Without hosting, your site is basically homeless. It's the service that keeps the lights on 24/7 so people can find you anytime, day or night.
All right, next on the list is a domain name. So if hosting is the land, your domain name is your street address. It's that simple, memorable yourbusiness.com. It's how people actually find your piece of land on the internet. Super simple and absolutely essential.
And finally, the third and kind of magical ingredient, WordPress. Now this is a totally free and incredibly powerful platform that lets you build and manage your entire site. It's like the toolkit and the construction crew all in one. And the best part? You can do it all without touching a single line of code.
Okay, so we've got our ingredients: hosting, a domain, and WordPress. Now let's get to the recipe. This is the exact 6-step blueprint that's going to take you from a blank page to a fully live professional website. You ready? And honestly, it's a beautifully simple process. Step 1, get your web hosting. 2, claim your free domain name. 3, install WordPress, which is usually just 1 click. 4, install the special premium tools. 5, import one of those 300+ awesome website templates. And finally, step 6, customize it with your own content. That's it. That's the whole journey.
So you're probably wondering, okay, where does this magic library of over 300 designs come from? And that is the absolute key to all of this. See, it's not something you go out and buy separately. It's all unlocked through a special offer that bundles everything together. It takes something that would normally be super expensive and makes it, well, incredibly affordable.
And check this out. The cost for the entire package, when you go for a multi-year plan, can come out to around 1,500 rupees a year. Let that sink in. For everything you're about to see, that price is just kind of nuts.
So what exactly are you getting for that price? Well, you get your premium web hosting, you get a free domain name for the first year, you get the free WordPress platform, and here's the kicker, you get the premium Astra theme, which is worth almost $90 on its own, plus those 300+ starter templates. All included for free.
Now, it's super important to know that there is one catch to all this. To get all those awesome premium tools for free, you have to use a specific referral link when you buy your web hosting. That's the secret key that unlocks the entire offer.
So here's exactly how that works. First, you'll use the creator's special link to buy a hosting plan. Then you just send a copy of your invoice to their team on WhatsApp. That's just to confirm your purchase. And once they have that, their team will remotely activate all those premium tools right on your brand new site. It's a really simple, straightforward process to get you all set up.
All right, now for my favorite part. This is where the real magic happens. Let's actually see what it looks like to go from a totally blank page to a fully finished website in just a couple of clicks. So, on the one hand, this is what you start with. Your brand new domain name.
It's either going to show an error page or just a totally blank screen. Pretty sad, right? But then, after just a few minutes and a couple of clicks later, you have this, a complete, beautiful, fully functional website. The transformation it's just incredible. It's instant.
And once that template is imported, making it your own is so easy. You use a visual tool called 𝘆𝗵𝘁. It's all drag and drop. You want to change some text? You just click on it and start typing. Want to swap out an image? You just click and upload a new one. Seriously, if you know how to use something like Microsoft Word, you have all the skills you need to customize your website. No code, ever.
So let's zoom out for a second. What does all of this really mean? This is way more than just a cool tutorial or a clever trick. What we're talking about here is a huge shift, making it possible for literally anyone to build a real presence online.
So let's wrap up with the big takeaways here. First and most importantly, building a beautiful website is no longer just for coders. It's for everyone now. Second, if you're smart about it, you can use offers like this to get your hands on premium tools for a tiny fraction of the usual cost. And that means you can launch professional sites super fast for your own projects or even for clients. The barrier to starting an online business has never, ever been lower.
And that really just leaves us with one final big question. When you take away the biggest roadblocks, the insane cost, the months of time, the technical skills, when all of that is gone, all that's left is your idea. So the question is, what are you going to build?